Hi, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing video. So, yep, here's some of the things that you get. The game. So there is an internet download that may be required for the game. Don't know what they might have, but yeah. Actually, the artwork on the little game card doesn't look that appealing. It looks kind of like what you find with kind of like a little standard SD card. Like really, if you kind of have this cover up a little bit, I'd be like, oh hey, here's that SanDisk SD card for like my camera, and you'll be like, SanDisk SD card? No, that's Starlink's Battle for Atlantis. I'll be like, no, that looks like it's a little SD card. You know, it's the red on there. This is the way how the SanDisk one looks. Like this one's a penny, or PNY. But you know what I mean, if you've ever seen SanDisk ones. Yeah. So then we have a little mount here. So all your Joy-Cons in there. Character up there. Ship over here. So we have Fox McCloud, which actually the detail on this one's not that bad. It looks pretty awesome. Then we have this guy, which was his name, Mason. So we have Mason, the Arwing, which looks pretty cool. I mean, these things could kind of move a little bit. So you could kind of like move them like that, or completely fold them down, which is kind of awesome. How on the inside there. What I don't like is that the little circuit board is all exposed. Like everything in the circuit board is completely exposed on there. So if one more move, and you can snap off that little circuit board. So why not? We'll put Fox McCloud on here, which he just slides right up in here, I believe. Yep. So that's where the pirate slides in, and then the ship. Let me turn this down. So yeah, with that little hole in there, you just slide them in there. So the pirate goes inside the little ship. So instead of actually going in the cockpit, they go underneath the cockpit. Which, this thing kind of looks wonky. I mean, as a display base, yeah, it looks pretty awesome for a display base, but yeah, it just looks kind of weird. And then you could take the little weapons, like this one's fire for fire weapon, ice for ice weapon, and then you just tab them into the little slots there. Which it looks like ice goes the right side and fire goes to the left side. Now those ones actually tab in pretty easy. I kind of like how the weapons tab in. The little main heroes, yeah, kind of weird. The way how the ships tab in, weird, but there is with the Flamethrower and Ice Barrage. And then we do get a little poster here. Not sure if it's double-sided or not. So let's take a look at it. And let's move that out of the way. Okay, so it is a nice little double-sided poster. I don't know how good you can see on camera here, but there's kind of like Starlink, Atlantis. Kind of looks a little bit like Destiny. If you let the relay station and the enemies come off the ground. And over on the other side, you kind of have like the pilots here, the starships here, weapons over there, and create the ultimate colors. So you got Shattered, Frost Vortex, Heat Blast, Status Overload, Fire Vortex, Gravity Shot, Thermal Shot, Cryo Blaster. So we have Fire, which is Heat Blast, and